In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Webflow. A favicon is that small yet important icon that appears in the Browser tab next to your page title. It's an essential element of your brand's online identity, helping users quickly identify your website among multiple open tabs. Let's get started on how to upload one to your Webflow project. First, you'll want to open your project in Webflow. Once you're logged into your Webflow account, you'll see a list of your projects. Click on the project you're working on, and it will open up in the Webflow Designer interface where you can edit and customize your website. Now, to access the area where you can add a favicon, you need to go to your site settings. You can do this by looking towards the top left corner of your Webflow Designer. There, you will find a settings gear icon right next to your site's name. Click on it to be redirected to the main settings page for your project. Once you're in the site settings, locate and select the General tab. You can find the General tab among other tabs like Hosting and SEO, neatly lined up at the top of the page. This is where you manage general information and settings pertaining to your site. Next, scroll down the page until you find the favicon section. It's not far from the top, so it should only take a few seconds to locate it. This is where you'll upload your favicon image. Keep in mind, the recommended size for a favicon is generally 32 by 32 pixels. Having a correctly sized icon ensures it displays well across different devices and browsers. When you've reached the favicon section, click on the Upload button. This action will prompt you to choose an image file from your computer or device. Browse your files and select the image you want to use as your favicon. Make sure that the image is clear and representative of your brand, as it's often the first thing users will see in the Browser tab. Once your favicon is uploaded, remember to save the changes. Do this by scrolling down to the bottom of the General Settings page where you'll find the Save Changes button. Always double check to make sure everything looks good before saving. Finally, after saving, you'll need to republish your site for the favicon change to go live. In the top right corner of your screen, there's a button to republish. Click on it and wait for it to complete the process. This will ensure that your new favicon is visible whenever someone visits your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Webflow project. This small icon will now help distinguish your site in browser tabs, bookmarks, and more. It's a simple step, but one that can have a big impact on your brand's polished image. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating beautiful websites with Webflow.